Years ago, after thinking about where he wanted to spend his golden years, John Shure decided to move to Iroquois County and build a ranch.
It provides a person with an opportunity for the peace and quiet that you have here.
Raising horses, training bird dogs.
And learn how to behave itself.
It was a different life than the one he lived just a couple hours up the road in Chicago. But like a breeze on the plains, there's just something he hasn't been able to get away from: Chicago's progressive and heavy-handed influence on statewide politics.
That's probably one way of putting it.
Particularly when it comes to controlling these.
I consider myself to be a very conservative individual. I believe in smaller government.
And this is Daniel Raymond.
I farm in Iroquois County.
He's spent most of his life here, tending to the corn, soybeans, and hay that you really can't miss when you drive by. He's also bothered by a certain Windy City's power over the state capital of Springfield, especially when it comes to guns.
It's important not only for people's self-protection, but for hunting and people just being able to sustain themselves and their family. I feel like a lot of politicians in Chicago are very disconnected with rural America.
Both men sit on the Iroquois County Board in the town of Watseka, where Raymond helped introduce a resolution reaffirming their Second Amendment rights.
It passed unanimously, 18-0.
But let's just say, hypothetically, Chicago did have enough political sway and the legislature did pass an assault weapons ban. This resolution would do nothing to prevent the county from having to follow the law.
It isn't meaningless because it's a way that we can send our message to the legislators in Springfield.
There's just more of a culture of hunting and target shooting and just Second Amendment rights in rural America than there is in the city.
He's referring to Chicago versus the rural counties here, but he could just as easily be describing the nation as a whole. Reporting in Iroquois County, Illinois, I'm Chris Welch.